What is up, guys? How you doing? So the last couple of days in Connecticut have been actually really nice out. Well, it's been in the 50s, which for Connecticut this time of year is really nice. So Steph got some motivation, and she really wants to pull out her green Miata so she could drive it around for the next couple of days, or I mean however long, probably until we register the blue Miata. She's gonna want to drive this thing around. So pulling up to Steffi's house now. We're gonna get it, do a quick little tune-up, get it roadworthy so she can have some fun with it. And then on top of that, we're gonna have some fun with her blue Miata, her right-hand drive NB, and we got a cool little gift for it, which is probably the title. So we got some bitchin' coils, which we'll talk about in a little bit. She's been hibernating.
She's so cute.
You excited to drive it?
Yeah.
Hopefully the tires aren't flat. This one doesn't seem too flat. What about your side? Cool. They're a little low, but
I think we can ride on it.
So if you guys have never seen this car before, this is Steffi's NA Miata that she's had for like the last, what, 2 or 3 years?
3 years.
3 years. And it's been sitting all winter, and it's time to bring her out. Miata engines get really ticky when they sit. We're gonna do some nice lifter tick. Turn her up. Oh, gotta let it charge a little bit. Oh, yeah, just don't let her die. There's a little misfire, but we're good to go. Hey, it's not that bad for sitting all winter. Sounds really good. All right, so you haven't driven standard in a long time.
I know, I'm kinda scared.
You're gonna stall.
Hey, no.
Pull her up. Don't hit anything. See if it leaked a bunch. Hey, not bad for a whole winter. For a whole winter in a 90s car, it's not too bad. We just gotta single stage this whole car. Screw this wrap. This wrap sucks.
I know. Where's Brian at?
What color are you gonna paint it?
Purple.
You still want the purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
No flake though. Just nice and
Nice. At least your car is festive today.
It's St. Patrick's Day. It's so dirty, but it's so much fun.
So, though we got the NA Miata out today, which is great, it's running great, so we don't have to touch it, which is sick. Today we're actually gonna be focusing on the NB Miata, the prettier sister. I love this car so much. So, as you can probably tell by the title, because I'm gonna make it this, we got an awesome part for the car, and we got the car finally its first set of coilovers. And look how nice these things are. So I really want this NB to be a really nice car. I mean, it's already gorgeous, and I just want to make sure, I want to make this car beautiful. I want it to drive great. I want it to look great. And so we had to get some quality coils for this, and we went with a brand called Open Road Tuning. A few of my friends have actually been on these coilovers for a little while now, and I was really impressed with the quality. And I talked to the owner, Andrew, and we were going back and forth trying to find the right specs for this Miata, and we came out with these. All right, so we're lucky to be running the Open Road Tuning TR series. It's like their track use coilovers, where it's a street coilover that's set up to be able to handle track use. So it's a good balance between the two, which is exactly, I think, what we're going for. So Steffi can rage in it a little bit, and I'm really happy with this company because not only am I really impressed with the quality, but the fact that you can basically pick out all the specs you want for your coilovers for like no extra charge, which is sick because usually it's an extra couple $100. You could pick whatever spring rate you want. You could valve it to whatever you see your car used for, and basically just get it fully set up. And these are all fully hand assembled, so you never have to worry about getting a booth coilover, and you can't beat it. I'm really happy to have these for the car. The NB really deserves it. So let's get to work. Get right to work. There you go. I like the confidence.
Did my face look it too?
Yeah. Oh, hold the wheel. You got it? Yeah. All right, this bolt's really awkward, so I'm just gonna, I feel bad, but.
You don't want me to get? Oh. Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. I like it.
Let's go.
All right.
still.
Here, let me sit.
No, wait. It's coming.
There you go. Hold your victory.
Pull it out. Just
pull the trigger.
Oh.
It's got some torque, huh?
Stop.
You got it. You're doing good. I would be able to pull the upper control arm. I really don't want to. I think we had to for RJ's. I really don't want to pull the upper control arm. Aha!
What'd you do? How did you do that?
Pull the upper. You didn't even realize I pulled it.
No, I didn't. Is that what you were just complaining about?
Yeah, it's not bad.
You made it seem like it was like an everyday thing.
Well, no, this is a thing.
No, okay.
The two Miatas I've done coilovers on, or well, yours it was your NA and RJ's NA, and they were both pretty fucking rusty.
Well, guess what this says?
A really clean MG, so it came apart like it was a brand new car. So I can't complain.
It is a brand new car.
It feels like it. All right, so I think this is the front. I guess we'll find out. So look at the difference. Isn't that crazy?
That's very short.
So
is it really dropping that?
We're gonna raise them. There's Andrew. I like your style. You sent them to me slammed, but we gotta keep it conservative for Steffi. We'll raise them up real quick.
I don't like that. Still haven't driven this car.
I know. I mean, I barely driven it.
It's gonna be a big difference.
So the goal is to get this thing registered in the next 3 weeks. I think that's a good goal.
April 1st. Let's go.
Yeah, there we go. And it's gonna be a fun spring. So I don't know which one is the front and the rear, which is kind of embarrassing. One's longer than the other, and this has a more aggressive top hat, so I maybe assume it's the front, but it's not obvious. So we're gonna pull one of the rear ones out and see which one's longer, and then we'll make our decision.
It's so pretty on here. Look how new this looks. One more?
Right here. See it right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so much used in the NA. So for the rear, the only annoying thing is you have to take the sway bar end link out just so the whole suspension can drop down far enough to get the coil out. So we're working on it.
Ooh.
Nice. All right, these are definitely the shorter ones. Cool. I really like the single locking collar with the Allen key. Makes things a lot easier. Looks good too. Race car shit. I'm so excited to get this thing on the ground. Hold my nuts.
Thanks. Oh, wait. That was weird.
Alright, look. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's way. That's a lot.
Oh my god. No, I gotta raise it up. I lowered it a lot. These coils go, when I tell you these coils go low, holy shit, these coils go low.
Hey, that's not even like.
Yeah. All right, let's try again. It looks sick, but it's not gonna work. All right, so I don't think we're gonna be able to go much higher than it is now. This is like the coil maxed out, so.
Oh geez.
Hopefully it fits.
That's a scary thought.
Okay, it's a little bit lower than I wanted for you, but I think we're good. We might have to put your other wheels on it, just because I don't know if we can get away with using these like bigger balloon tires. So we might have to swap wheels from the NA to the NB if you're cool with that.
Let's do it.
At least for now. Jack her up.
You good?
Yep, keep going. Send her home. Keep going. Keep going. Yep, you're doing great. Nice. Sorry, it's okay. All right, so the coilovers are officially installed. Everything's all tight. It looks even in the air, but we'll find.
In the air. What does that mean?
I mean, the car is in the air. It's on jack stands.
All right.
So I guess we're gonna send it with the stock wheels on it. See how she looks. Maybe we'll rob the wheels off of Steffi's NA Miata, because that'd be pretty cool. But I don't want to make you ride around on stockies, so.
Why? Hopefully this bad boy will be on the road soon.
It's a fact. All right, now the front's the hard part because there's like no good jack point in the front. I refuse to use the pinch welds.
Oh.
Sheesh.
What do you think of me driving on this, Jimmy?
These sit really low. These are maxed out too. Oh boy.
Looks hot.
Look how sunken. You need like 3-inch spacers for these wheels. I mean, nothing hangs, so
No,
like
looks good.
only enemy is gonna be your front bumper.
Look how cute.
It's a little bit lower than I anticipated. I was hoping for it to be like an inch taller. I'm just gonna ponder with Tucker. Now it's break time. You want to test fit your NA wheels?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. This thing is so low. Oh my god. Well, I guess yeah. Let's see what it looks like when we have wheels with stretch tires on them and see how it sits. Because right now, and there's a lot of camber up front too. These things camber out like crazy. Look at it. That's all factory camber right there.
Ooh.
Oh, stance gang, let's go.
I mean, that's like really good fitment, but oh my god, I wasn't going for this look, I guess. Oh. Crap. It's really good fitment. So these fit the car extremely well, as you can tell.
Wow.
It's so good.
They just need to respray because they're so filthy. It looks good though.
I know.
So 60 by 9 plus 20 is NB fitment, I guess. Oh boy. Alright, so the car is very much slammed. I mean, it does look good. It looks badass, but this is Steffi's car, and we got him, and she's gonna drive it. She's gonna drive it a lot, so we got to keep the car practical. And I reached out to the owner, and he thought that it was gonna be for one of my cars, and he knows how low I like my cars. So if this was me, it'd be perfect. But I told him that I brought up that it is for my girlfriend, and we got to raise it up. So he's going to send me out longer mount collars for him because, like I said, these things are fully built to whatever specs you want. And he's going to send me new collars, and it's going to raise the car up a little bit and make it a little more functional. Functional. Yeah, we're going to make it a little more functional for Steffi so she can take this on the Waterbury roads and not have to worry about hitting her subframe. So not bad. I mean, it's awesome to see this thing low on the ground. So I'm not upset by any means. This is pretty cool. So
it looks like a completely different car. Like
oh,
it
yeah.
really does.
It looks so small now.
It's so tiny.
But I mean, damn, does it look good?
So rare. Look at the front.
I mean, it looks awesome.
Look at the front lip. Like right here, you don't see ground. Like you just see.
Oh, I know. It's beautiful.
Car.
Just like Tucker. No biggie. We'll get him in. We'll raise the car up, and we'll be good then. So luckily, we still have a couple weeks to register the car, so it works out.
So what's next?
I don't know. Well, he sent us 2 of the softest hoodies I've ever felt in my life.
Oh, that's nice.
Flex at the track.
It's like a polar bear.
Flex. Turn around. Let's see some. Dang. We'll hold off on the MB for now. Give me a nice look at all aired out though. Looks pretty cool. It does look cool over here. Yeah, it's like hard park. We're gonna call it an early day today. Steffi and I are gonna go see a movie, have a good night, and enjoy ourselves.
RJ?
And RJ's gonna third wheel.
My second time third wheeling today.
Oh my. Yeah, that's RJ's life now. I'm sorry.
Pretty much, it's all right. That's how it is.
If you guys, if any of you guys out there are single or females, I mean,
What a fucking asshole.
DM RJ. He likes anime, long walks on the beach. Not too long though, because his ankles will swell up.
I hate
And
I hate the beach.
all right, well,
Go on a hike in the mountains.
With camouflage on.
Yeah, can't see me.
yeah, okay. So we're gonna end it there. So, of course, guys, check out Open Road and Tuning. Check out their website below. See what they have to offer for your car. And yeah, and with that, we're gonna end it. So, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And Steffi.
Have a great day.
Harder than broke, I cold started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know why. Hey, I know why. Hey, yeah, I'm cold hearted and broke. I cold started and